Well, good morning. What are we doing today?
We're gonna sawmill.
No, I'll say it ain't so.
Sawmill is what we're doing, Jason.
Oh, man.
Yep.
The first sawmill I actually ever milled any logs on right here. And they got it set up towards the front. Gonna be working on cousin Jill and Chad's house out back, which we'll have to take y'all along and show you what that looks like back there with their barn door build. But the big important thing is, I think we're gonna be working on making some stairs. We need some 2x12s to be able to cut the stringers out. So,
yep. 2x12, what we need.
This here's the lumber yard, better than Lowe's. Let's see if we can get some work done.
Those teeth, no wonder it wasn't saw. Look here, these teeth broke. What's the teeth broke for? Look, Jason.
Wait, what did we hit that last time we were doing this? There was something, remember it got jammed, was it
We need to open that up anyway.
How many blades is left?
One more after this one.
Look, yours got teeth broke. No wonder. All right, Jill, get up here and get this cleaned out. Come on, honey. Save your stick. That's a good one. Save your stick. Well, I hope ain't no nails or nothing in these.
I do too. They wasn't on the fence line though. They was out of a guy's backyard.
Jill, what's this one for? Why is this one going in the truck?
Stairs. We're making stairs.
Stranglers for your stairs.
They always make fun of me.
Stranglers for your stairs.
Uh-oh.
What?
We got a messy porch. Where the heck did we end up at? Last time we was up here, this was just a slab. All of a sudden, this building growed up out the ground.
What is that?
Huh?
What is it on?
Cardboard box. Come from Amazon.
Look at him. Worked so hard, he had to chug his tea. All right, well, everything we just milled, we got to cut us some stringers and make some steps. Let's go get a tour inside.
I tell you right now, that Mama and Chris is doing some serious shopping.
Nice loft up there.
Alright, there's a few beers right here on the side. Okay?
Shut up.
Wow.
We're on film.
This lady knows how to do the job right.
Gotta start with some Bud Light.
Look, priorities when building a house, y'all.
Yep, priorities.
You get the fridge in, put up a couple walls, they ain't nothing. But then you get the movie theater TV going. I mean, whole lot going on in here.
All right, you'll get your broom, get this swept up right here right quick.
So you'll have a bedroom, closet, big old bathroom, little pantry. This will be kitchen. Laundry room over there. Another bedroom, bathroom for daughter. And then her playroom up there. Nice big catwalk and then storage.
What you get?
I think it'll work.
Match that.
Hey, I got you this.
Oh boy.
Hear that?
Look at that.
Put a hand right there.
Well, thank you.
I thought Pop said he
Just
had.
wrong.
As much as we go through tripods.
Go on down. Back it on down.
I got you something.
That one go there. Probably won't ride the wagon. What you gonna do?
You want to do yours first? Put the level on it.
Go get your ass.
See what? She's telling you to put it in there.
Huh?
See where I was talking about this thing.
There you go. Give everybody a tour of your toy room.
Hi.
Oh, you gonna need more?
So this is my toy room. There's a lot of toys in here. It's a big mess, but I love it. And I have a little board right there. Let me show you my desk. My desk is right there, and I love it. And got me a little house, a bunch of Legos. I was just opening some of my stuff I got from the yard sale. That was just it. My slime. And those are my mom and dad's shelves. And we got that. That's my table. But my table's a mess right now. It's a big mess express. Yeah, they're working on my wall right now. But I got babies. And my lights hanging down from the ceiling. And got some little balloons up, and I had a lot of stuff going on in here, but anyways. Alright, there. Here.
Push that button on top.
This button.
Yep, the red circle.
what kind of a... Uh-oh. Well, measure it right there. Oh, I'll just cut something second over right now. Jason. Will, you're a slacker.
I'm gonna build on the goer. Where'd that level go in there?
Scared the hell out of me. That one. Run a long ways, just run crossways, fine. Just up and sit down. We didn't do something right, did we?
Well, you put the level on here.
Oh no, I'm talking about we got it too.
Right here for you. What it is right there.
No, that's right, because that stop putting up there for about 2 inches would be fine, one Jason.
Well, you remember you still got.
Yeah, 2 inches.
Yeah.
Come up this cock iron, Jason. Let me look at the crack.
That needs to come down.
Well, put your level. Where's your
It
level?
needs to come
at?
down this way. Come on down.
That's what you need to judge. I mean, we may need to change this angle up here.
This level right there. That's right.
Yeah. So this angle's it's not going to be the end of the world, but you're going to have a gap. Like this angle isn't quite right.
That ain't good.
Let's go.
But
That's even better.
Okay.
Marble
Max. Love it. Awesome.
It's a marble mat.
Okay.
Gotta go your way.
Looking good, boys and
tell me
girls.
when.
It's got to sit level down here,
Yeah,
right?
come on down, Jason.
There we
There
go.
you go.
Hold on. That was a little too far.
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
So,
Where's your level? Do you know what level
Oh, my
is?
squishies are done, baby.
Level. Level.
You good?
Yep.
Hey, Jason.
check a couple of them. Check a couple of stairs to make sure.
Now, is that where it's supposed to be? Because he's got over here a different one. Y'all measured something
Well,
different over here.
you want your steps level, so I know what he measured, but
Come down if you're in this. Well, let's check this. Yeah, come down if you're
way
in.
off.
Damn this. I believe it's got to come from the right.
At least down here ain't level, so I'll assume.
Hurry! That man was. Hell yeah.
This one's 12. So where are you running?
Well, you think you ain't gonna have to make, you ain't gonna have to make these riser feet.
We got steps. He's like, I'm not talking to y'all.
We're walking down the steps, honey.
See if the stairs do okay. You want to try them?
Be careful, for God's sake, be careful.
Yeah, I don't want to fall and hurt my leg again. I like them. I like them.
Yay!
What do you think, Carissa?
I like them.
You know how to make them? Make them
I like
big.
your stairs, Cousin Chad.
Thank you.
They're beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Do you like them?
Thanks. I love them. Love them. Super
I love
excited.
your home. Every
Thank
time we're here,
you.
it grows and gets there.
It's getting there.
Yeah. Excited for
I
you.
love it. Me too.
We love you.
We love you too.